If you want to sculpt a set of superhero shoulders, you must do these 5 dumbbell drills today. All right, baby, back to hand plus. Now, we did this before, right? Now we're going to add some tweaks. Now, the first round of this circuit, we're going to do a scapular shrug at both the starting and the end position. So what we do here is exhale up, try to create as much space between that shoulder and the floor. Inhale down and pack it under the earth. Same thing here. Overhead shrug. Keeping those abs engaged. Inhale it back. The second round through, we do presses. Inhale down, notice how the forearm is vertical. You already know what's coming, don't you? Here we go, it's cooking! These drills are a lot harder than they look, so please be sure to start with a light 5 to 10 pound bell. This movement is so sexual, but also so effective. Now, we did the basic one arm bridge. What are we gonna do? Round 1, exhale up, inhale down. It's a small range of motion exercise there, okay? Pack yourself down, keep the abs engaged. Notice how I kept everything stable. I wasn't twisting or turning at the body level. The only motion was through the shoulder. In round 2, we add the press. All right, man, so much is happening. Both shoulders active. This one, open chain stabilizing. This one, closed chain stabilizing. So it's the most complete shoulder workout you'll ever do. You're welcome. Get my shorts and all my apparel from sleevessoldseparately.com. For many of you, the leg sweep was the hardest stage of the get up to work. We're gonna make it harder by doing in round 1, the scap, and then bring it back. In round 2, the press, and bring it back. Now, if you're struggling with this, you might need to just go body weight only and just focus on just mastering the leg sweep component. Again, you can go like this if you need to, all right? And just work on this even with the arm down. Progress to getting the arm up, add a soup can. And again, off day practice. Best way to strengthen your body is to work on weaknesses and off days with a light load. Another modification on this for just practice is elevating the hand a little bit. And same concept there. You don't have to worry about getting the knee on the ground, but just allows you to feel that kind of swivel, all right, and practice the exercise in a regressed manner. Get after it. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and ask me any questions in the comments. Lateral hinge is no joke, especially when you add the plus. So we're here, locked in, lock out, root yourself down, right? Not here. If you find yourself in this position, it's too heavy, and you gotta keep working on the mobility. Go lighter, so we get locked in here, bicep alongside the ear, and lock out from there. So we got this moving, right? We can go to the hand, or I can go to the forearm. What we'll do in round 1 is I'll do a scap, and then come down, come up. Round 2, I'll do a press. Do you hate me? Which move is your favorite? Post in the comments below. 5th and final stage by this time, like again, if you need to modify and bump the weight down to this point, do so. You're cashed, so this is tough. Overhead lunge with the pluses. In round 1, we got our scap shrug from the split kneel, and lock yourself down here from the overhead standing position. Inhale down. Round 2, you know what's coming. Presses galore. Now, we talked about you can modify by going shoulder level if we have high ceilings. You can also start overhead at the bottom, and as you come up, go here. So this allows you to get the press going in kind of a tweener. If you have the ceiling issues, it's also a nice little option that really smokes the low mid traps as a kind of a stabilizer there. Just a reminder, some general tips to get the most out of this workout. Number 1, our breathing protocol. Inhale through the nose, going down. Exhale through the mouth, going up. I also want you to stay light. Stay with the same movements you've been working. We're adding some tweaks for the freaks on this that makes the same weight feel much more challenging. It makes lightweight feel heavy. So if you have to even go body weight or just a soup can, stay there. You want to feel no pain in the shoulder. And again, we've got to do these drills with the arm fully locked out. If you find yourself bending a little bit, you've got to go lighter. And finally, I'd rather you go slow and steady. Don't worry about getting a lot of reps. I don't want you to speed this up. In fact, it'd be better to bump the load up. In this case, don't go fast, go slow, own the movement, and let's have a great workout. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're looking for fast, fun, and effective workouts for busy parents and professionals, get a free trial to thedailybj.com today.